Is this the best-looking wagon Audi has ever made? The 2025 A5 Avant has landed, and today I'm giving you my first impressions of this sleek German estate that's packing more tech and style than ever before. Stick around to find out if this renamed A4 successor deserves your attention. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. That gorgeous machine behind me is the all-new 2025 Audi A5 Avant. And yes, you heard that right. A5, not A4. Audi is shaking things up with their naming convention, reserving the A4 badge for future electric vehicles, while this handsome wagon carries the A5 torch forward. Let's start with what immediately catches your eye: the design. The A5 Avant showcases Audi's latest styling language with its bold front fascia, sculpted body lines, and those distinctive LED lighting signatures. It's undeniably premium from every angle, and honestly, it makes many crossovers look downright boring in comparison. Pop the hood and you'll find a range of engine options to suit different driving styles. The base 2-liter petrol delivers 148 horsepower, good for a 0 to 62 time of 9.8 seconds. Need more grunt? The 201 horsepower version cuts that down to 7.8 seconds, matching the BMW 3 Series Touring. For long-distance cruisers, the diesel option makes a compelling case. With 201 horsepower and loads of torque, it hits 62 in just 7.7 seconds, while delivering impressive fuel economy. Opt for the Quattro all-wheel drive version, and you'll shave that time down to 6.9 seconds while gaining all-weather confidence. Thrill seekers will want to check out the S5 Avant with its 362 horsepower V6. It sounds fantastic, especially in dynamic mode, without being obnoxiously loud during normal driving. Every A5 Avant comes with a 7-speed automatic that's generally smooth, though I found it most responsive in dynamic mode during spirited driving. Behind the wheel, this A5 Avant immediately feels more engaging than its predecessor. The steering is more responsive, turn-in is crisp, and there's plenty of grip to inspire confidence on twisty roads. While the BMW 3 Series Touring might still have a slight edge in pure driving dynamics, the gap has definitely narrowed, and the Audi counters with a more comfortable ride quality. Slide inside and you're greeted by what might be the most tech-forward interior in its class. The dashboard features a stunning curved display housing both the 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster and 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. The OLED displays are incredibly crisp with vibrant colors that make navigation maps and vehicle info really pop. Physical buttons are minimal, just volume, drive mode, and parking camera, with most functions controlled via the touchscreen or voice commands. Higher trims add a separate 10.9-inch screen for the passenger, and the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers concert hall quality audio with clever headrest speakers in the S5 model. Now for the practical stuff, because let's face it, you're looking at a wagon for a reason. The A5 Avant offers up to 476 liters of cargo space with the seats up, dropping slightly to 448 liters in diesel and S5 versions. That's decent, but falls short of the BMW 3 Series Touring's 500 liters and well behind the cavernous Skoda Superb Estate's 690 liters. Rear passenger space is good, but not class-leading. Tall adults will find adequate knee room, but might brush against the headliner. The 40-20-40 split rear seats and powered tailgate with motorized parcel shelf are nice practical touches. Starting at over 40,000 pounds, the A5 Avant isn't cheap, but it does feel worth the premium. The blend of driving refinement, cutting-edge tech, and understated luxury creates a compelling package for those who prefer wagons to SUVs. In a world obsessed with crossovers, the 2025 Audi A5 Avant makes a strong case for the traditional estate car. It's stylish, tech-laden, and engaging to drive while offering practical versatility for everyday life. If you've been waiting for a reason to choose a wagon over an SUV, this might just be it. Stay tuned for our full review coming soon, and let me know in the comments if you'd pick this over its BMW and Mercedes rivals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.